We need to solve for this particular triangle where angle C, side B, and side C is given, and uh, let's do that. It's always a good idea to draw a rough sketch of the triangle just to get an idea of what is given and what is not. So this is side A or vertex A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C. Then angle C is going to be 80 degrees. Side C, which is opposite to angle C, is 5.3 uh, miles, I think, mi, and side B is opposite to angle B, which is 3.5. Okay, I'm not bothered about the units right anyway. I think a law of sines would be a great choice because one pair, opposite pair, we already know, and other opposite pair is only one unknown quantity. So that's why I'm going to use the law of sines. Law of sines will be C over sine C is going to be B over sine B. So if we cross multiply, sine of B is going to be small b times sine C over small c. So the value of sine B is going to be, side B is 3.5, sine of angle C is 80 over side C is 5.3. Now just remember that sine is positive in two quadrants, quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So the angle of, because angle B can be obtuse as well, because if it is in quadrant 2 it is obtuse. So we need to get both the angles from here. So the quadrant 1 angle is coming as, we just grab my calculator, as 3.5 times sine of 80 over 5.3. The sine inverse of this value is 40.57 up to 2 decimal places, 40.57 degrees. And another angle, like I said, is going to be 180 minus this value because that's in quadrant 2, that's an obtuse angle. So 180 minus this value is going to be minus 40.57 is 139.43. Okay, although this is possible as far as the equation is concerned, but are these two values actually possible in this triangle? 40.57 is definitely possible, but what about 139? Because if b is 139, if b is 139, then 139 plus 80 is definitely a value which is more than 180, which is not possible because sum of all the three angles of a triangle should be 180. So it cannot be more than 180, and hence 139 should be excluded from our answer. So we are going to say that 139 is in this situation not possible. So we are going to reject it. So angle B is 40.57 only. Now we need to find angle A as well, which we can easily find because angle A is just going to be 180 minus the sum of remaining two angles, which is angle B, which is 40.57, plus angle C, which is 80 degrees, so that is going to be 40.57 plus 80, and 180 minus answer is 59.43. This is the value of angle A, which is 59.43 degrees. This is the value of angle A. And now we need to find side C, and side C is which we can find, not side C, I think side A. Side A is unknown. So side A is something which we can easily find using the law of sines once again. So let's apply law of sines once again. Law of sines, but this time with a over sine a as well. So we are going to apply that c over sine c is going to be a over sine a. So the value of side a is going to be c sine a over sine c. That's going to be the value of side A. So side C is 5.3. Angle A is, we just found, 59.43. And angle C is 80. And that is equal to A. So the value of angle A comes out as, uh, let me just grab my calculator. It's sine of 59.43 times 5.3 over sine of 80 degrees. So this is coming as for 4.6 3. This is the value of small a. Thank you.